If you're not getting enough clicks on your Etsy store, then your product images might be the problem. However, there's a really easy way to make and improve your product images, and that's by using XDesign. And today I'm going to be running through just some of the easy ways to create a professional looking image for your Etsy products without even leaving this room. And so with that said, let's get started. And so first we're going to use the product listing set. And this is going to generate a set of images for your product. So we're going to go ahead and upload our product image to the AI image editor. And once that's uploaded, we're going to head over to the background generator. And as you can see, it's removed the background of your image and just kept your product. And now we can select from a bunch of backgrounds that we want our image to look like. But in order to get a set of images, we need to make sure to choose a preset that we like that has the set icon on it. For example, this one I quite like the look of. It's got the set icon. So let's go ahead and select it. And then at the bottom, hit generate. And there you go, literally within seconds, we've now got 4 real looking professional shot images for our products on Etsy. Okay, and next we're moving on to one of my favorite tools on XDesign, and that's called the candle lit effect. So now, as I'm sure you know, candles are very popular on Etsy, with most people making a cool design to put on the casing around the candle, therefore not actually owning the physical candle. So let me show you something really cool. So let's say you've got the really basic product image given to you by whatever print on demand platform you're using. We're going to use the candle lit tool to make that photo look even more realistic. So once again, we're going to upload our image, and again go over to the background generator, and it's going to remove the background for us. And again, choose your favorite scene from the presets, and once you've chosen that, make sure you scroll to the bottom and toggle on the candle lit effect. And then just hit generate. And as you can see, it's taken our candle, popped it into the preset that we chose, and the candle is now lit. Now this is a really cool tool to use because now you can upload it to your Etsy listing, and when the customers are swiping through all the images, they're going to see the candle lit and know how it's going to look in their home, rather than just seeing a very basic picture against a white background. So now I'm going to show you 2 of the methods to generate the perfect background for your image. So firstly, we're going to use the clone tool. Same as before, we're going to upload our image, click background generator, it's going to remove the background of our image, and at the top we're going to press the clone. Now this allows us to upload a reference image that we like, that we want our image to look like. So for example, say you're scrolling on Etsy, or you've just found a design that you like and you kind of want to replicate it but with your product. All you got to do is save that image and upload it here as the reference image. And you can scale up or down your product, pop it in the place where you want it to go. You can change the similarity, either going low, medium, balanced or high. For this example, we're going to go balanced and hit generate. And in a couple of seconds, as you can see, we've now got a new product image that was similar to the one that we liked. Now the next way to make a product image that you'd like is to use the AI chat prompt. So again, we're going to upload our product image, go to the background generator, it's going to remove the background for us. And then at the top, instead of clicking clone, we're going to go for custom. And now you can pop in any prompt that you like to generate the background. So for my reference, I'm going to pop in generate image of a candle on a desk in a light room. And there you go, another easy way to generate a perfect product image to upload to your store. Okay, so now let's say you've got the perfect product image, but you want to make a few little tweaks. So I'm going to show you the all-in-one photo editor tool. So download the image you just made, re-upload it, and head over to the retouch to make a few little tweaks. So in here we can see some presets: clear, enhance, dehaze, texture, natural, or fade. And I'm going to choose dehaze, because I think that makes the clarity look really nice, specific for this image. You can go down to basic color correction, where you can mess around with the saturation, the contrast, brightness, sharpness, and clarity. And you've also got loads of filters to choose from. Now, if we've got something in our image that we don't necessarily want, we can click the eraser tool, and you can either use the auto remover by toggling on the text, watermark, unwanted people, or eyeglass. So for example, you screenshotted an image that's got a watermark over the top, just toggle on the watermark, hit remove, and it'll get rid of that for you. Or you can do it manually if there's something more specific you want to get rid of. So we're going to head down, choose the brush icon, choose the perfect size for our brush. And for an example, I'm going to get rid of the leaves. So all you got to do is just brush over the bit you want to get rid of, just like that, and hit remove. And in literal seconds, it's gone. You wouldn't even know that they were ever there. But let's say we're now happy with the image and we want to make the quality much better. We're going to head over to the Enhance tool, and you can choose from HD or Ultra HD. So in this case, we want it to be as crisp quality as possible. So we're going to go with Ultra HD. Click that, click Enhance, and there you go. You've got an extremely high quality, professional looking image that you didn't even leave your room to make. So that's just some of the ways we can make professional looking product images on XDesigns for you to use on Etsy or other social media platforms, and you don't even need to have the physical product. And so if you're an online seller looking to upgrade your product photos without the usual hassle, give XDesign a try. And if you have any questions or want some help on any specific features, drop a comment below because we'd love to hear from you. And I'm going to go and generate some more images.